Hello, this is Quartermaster Sergeant Duxter, 7th Louisiana Pelican Regiment. Here's how you go and find out your computer settings. First, you can type in About into the search bar. It'll be in your system settings. Go to About your PC. And here it'll tell you your processor, your CPU. It'll tell you how much RAM you have and some other info about your system, like whether it's 64-bit or 32-bit. And it'll also have the version of Windows that you have. A quick way to find your GPU is type in Display. This will bring up your display settings, which will show you things about your monitor. For example, text scaling, display resolution, things like that. Other monitors if you have them. Go down to advanced display settings. This will show your resolution, your hertz, the refresh rate, things like that. But it'll also have, no, wrong one. Graphics setting, no. Okay, yes, I am dumb. It does have your graphics processor right here, and it shows what's hooked up to. Now, my preferred method to go and find out anything about my PC is to go to Hardware Info 64. I'll leave a link in the description about how to install it. You're going to go to this website right here, click the installer. When it comes up, you're going to have options for sensors only or summary only. Clicking sensors only and then selecting the sensors that you want to check is going to give you an overview of your temperatures. And you can see I have my CPU core temperatures, GPU core temperatures, hotspot temperature, core voltage, and then distance TJ max. TJ max is the distance between, what you're running at right now and how hot until the automatic shutoff point, I think. I'd have to double check that. So if you want to check the information on your PC, a real quick way to do it is installing Hardware Info 64. It'll take a little bit to configure this stuff. Click right here. It'll tell you your CPU name up here. It'll have some information about your RAM. It'll give you your computer model. And this will tell you your integrated graphics. If you click this drop-down arrow, it'll show your GPU, which will show you what graphics processing unit you have. For example, I have a 3070 laptop. Okay, you can also see what your memory is, so your RAM. Okay, any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'd be more than happy to leave a reply. And adios.